Hello, sweet love, and welcome. This EFT is truly for everyone. Whether or not you are in a relationship, doesn't matter. Deep down, all of us crave love, both to give and receive. And today we will open ourselves up to the possibility of love in all its forms. Now I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. And whenever you're ready, to take 3 deep breaths here. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Please also feel free to change any words I say if there is something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good for you, you can also softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a soft gaze at the point in front of you. Then continue to tap on the side of your hand. Even though sometimes I don't feel love, right here and right now, I'm open to the possibility of love and connection in all its beautiful forms. Even though sometimes I don't feel love, right here and right now, I'm open to the possibility of feeling loved. Even though sometimes I don't feel love, right here and right now, I'm open to the possibility of giving love. Even though sometimes I don't feel love, right here and right now, I'm open to the possibility of love finding me. Now gently start tapping on the top of your head. Love is all around me. Eyebrow point. And I am attracting real love. Side of the eyes. And as I give love to others, under your eyes, I know that love will find me. Under the nose, loving people will find me. Under your mouth, loving animals are all around me. Just below your collarbones, and just thinking of this sweet little animal. Under your armpit brings a smile to my face. Back to the top of your head, because truly that is love too. Eyebrow point, and love is all around me. Side of your eyes, and I am ready to feel love. Under your eyes, I am ready to receive love. Under your nose, I am ready to give love. Under your mouth, I will bring a smile to someone's face today with my love. Just below the collarbones, and I know there's someone out there. Under your armpit, who wants to do the same for me. Back to the top of your head, I am attracting loving behavior. Eyebrow point, and anything that stops me from being loving. Side of the eyes is now released through this tapping. Under your eyes, I tap it all away. Under your nose, because I am ready for love. Under your mouth, look at me now. I am so ready for love. Just below your collarbones. And maybe today, I'll even flirt a little. Under your armpit. Today I will embody my most confident, loving self. Now gently tapping on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. I am ready to be loved. I am ready to give love. Love is all around me. And love will come my way. I am love. Now gently stop tapping, allowing your hands to rest on your heart. And when you're ready, with your next inhale, bring your hands all the way up, touching above your head. Hold your breath for a moment. And whenever you need to release, shake it out to the side and sigh it out, as if you're sparkling love all around you. 2 more of those at your own pace. Inhaling your arms up, hold, and exhale, shake it all out to the side. 1 more. Inhale up, deepest one, hold your breath. And exhale, biggest shake out, and feel all the love and tingles in and outside of you. And gently rest your hands on your heart. I hope you feel so full of love and life right now, sweets. And please let us know how you will bring a smile to someone's face today. It would mean the world if you would take just a second to like this video and maybe share it with a dear loved one of yours. Subscribe to our channel, and may every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Tap with you soon. Bye bye.